Right. So let's see what let's do the analysis for the day then. So monthly we did close week bullish, and I will expect price to basically come down in this zone here. In a way, try to wick fill on the bottom. Even if it wants to go up, and we did have a crazy Friday. It was the first day of the month. It just pushed straight up, but we'll expect some point for some bearish closures to come down and make a better bottom wick for the month. But other than that, monthly honestly can go either way. For us to find a trade, we're gonna have to go on the lower time frames and see how the other trades, other closures are. Now on the weekly, we can see we are here. We have broken up from the closest resistance area. I don't think there's anything else. Like we have closed above all the wicks and everything. But we kind of tap right into this zone here. So we have tapped into this zone, which means price may start closing bearish in this week. You know, it's possible we can have a fake out because it has already wick fill. But even for a fake out, I would expect it to break its highs once more, even if it wants to come down on the week. But we'll see how the weekly ends up closing. For now, we are bullish. There's a good chance we may see a wick fill going up. Maybe not this week. It may take 2 weeks to get there. But this is a very busy week in terms of news. Actually, let's go through the news quickly. For today, we don't have anything for today that we have to worry about. This Japan CPI, but it's a after session for us, so we don't have to worry about that. But for the rest of the week, Tuesday we got PMI during our session on the New York, and we got some more news we got news every day basically. We got some job openings on the Wednesday, and Powell is testifying, which may move price. We'll see how what the price is doing at that point. And then Thursday we got unemployment claims, and we got some more Powell testifying. What's he talking about? It's not speech. I think about talk about race and stuff. Okay. So you got, I think, on news every day then, and then March 8th I believe will be Friday, and Friday we got NFP. So a very big Friday this one. Yay, NFP.
Okay.
Anyway, we got very busy week. We got news every day leading up to Friday NFP, and yeah, expecting a lot of volatility this week, which means there's always a chance we might test highs again, wick fill, or we might come down and start testing 1980 zones. But you know, with news, price can be all over the place every day. So these high time frame closures, it's good to have them in the back of your mind, but it's hard to trade off those considering the amount of news we got this week. So as far as dailies goes, once again we have closed above. We have already done the wick fill of these zone here, which is the same on the weekly. So now once we start breaking highs here, we should be aiming for next resistance right here, which according to daily we don't really see anything, but this is the next zone. For that we have to go to lower time frames to find some possible positions and stuff and resistances. But at the moment it looks like once you start breaking highs, there's a good chance you can keep going up to the closest resistance area. I would prefer if we start closing bearish on the week, so there's a good chance that monthly doesn't go up. Monthly doesn't break its highs again, so it will start coming down and we close bearish on the month, which is what I expected originally, this month to close bearish the way the candles have been printing. So we'll really like monthly, the goal to stay bearish for the moment to allow us to get some better trades, just because we got some data on the left. If you go on the daily, like we have data here, to trade based off. Over here it's all-time highs. You don't know what's gonna happen, how far it will go. So it's hard to trade in those ranges until the market makes some structure on the lower time frames for us to see some data. Anyway, on the 4 hour, so we are bullish on the day. We have closed above ranges, but on 4 hour we have already found some resistance here. We had resistance here before on the 4. We made it again here. We already and we have made, we're trying to make it on the 3rd time here, and now the 4th time. So let's see if we on the 4 hour if we keep pushing down or not. But I think any break off above these, price may keep moving up now. There's no other resistance on the 4 hour for us to see, so we're gonna have to go down on the 1 and 30 to see where the top resistance might be. But I think any closure above, if the 4 hour does end up closing above here, probably above the wicks likely, there might be some trades going up for today. Now as far as today goes, there's only, yeah, again there's no news. It just feels like one of those days where the volume might not come today, just because we got news every other day of this week. So we have to see if market does end up moving. We are in the, if you're on the 5, the comics open right now, and it hasn't really moved much. Yeah, just 9-10 pips. Let's see. We still got 2 minutes on this comments. Yeah, so we might have to wait for the 4 hour closure today, and if it makes up the wicks and the set entry, if it gives an entry for a trade, we might be in those. Otherwise we have to wait for NYC to open up, which will be 30 minutes after the new 4 hour, 1 hour from now. Right, so that's for the 4 hour. Closure above, we might have some possible buys, and for sells we want to see closure below this. We'll see how the 4 hour is once it starts closing. We'll see for a better range. But I think today is best to trade on the lower time frames. So it'll be small positions today, I think. So yeah, according to 1 hour, we want to closure above this 2087 for us to start ripping up. And sales is good here. There is a chance if we don't close below 28 in the 4 hour, but we actually end up pushing that, in the last 30 minutes to 2077 zone, just like how we did here, we might have a chance to grab some buys going up, because we have made bottom wick right here before. But we see, market is not quite moving yet. There's a bit of volume in the 5 minute here compared to what we have had all day. But we'll see how the markets end up closing. So I like how 1 hour grabbed orders here. Ideally want a closure on the 1 hour below this, but we got 30 minutes anyway, so it doesn't really matter. We have to wait for 4 hours regardless. For 30, yeah, ideally want to see closure below. 5 minutes. If he closes below 2081, very small range once again, only 8-9 pips, not worth taking here. But let's see if our analysis is right, if we're gonna fill the range down to 2079 or no, if this one 30 minutes ends up closing below 2081.5.
हेलो जस्ट ओपन वेट मेरा वाला टैब खोलो 5 मिनट
कनेक्शन टूट रहा है बाबा, कुछ कर रहे हो?
नहीं हाँ सॉरी ट्रेडर है हाँ सही मैं बंद कर रहा था अभी हो
स्टॉप हो गए, पार्सल हो गए।
इंस्टाग्राम की पोस्ट पे काम कर रहा था मैं अभी हो टैब करके भी चला गया
क्या दिखाना है
यही था मैं लेट हो गया
यार, इतना सारा चॉपिनेस में तेरे को दिख रहा है सेटअप?
हाँ जिस तरह वो वीक उस समय बना के गया था ना अब मुझे कॉन्शियस था तो क्लियर था लेकिन रीजन ये मैं इंस्टाग्राम की एक्शन में पोस्ट का काम कर रहा हूँ मैं पोस्ट को मैडम एडिट कर रहा हूँ उसके साथ साथ मैं टाइम मैं देख नहीं रहा लेकिन हाँ नॉट रिकमेंडेड बट इट वाज अ ग्रेट जो लास्ट रेड कैंडल है ना उसमें इस तरह क्लोज करा था ना मुझे लगा था कि सही है मतलब मार्केट का इरादा नहीं है तोड़ने का बट काइंड ऑफ चौकी रेंज तो उसमें 15 तक जैसा निकाल बट हाँ ये ट्रेड थी नहीं दे मतलब देना चाह रहा था नहीं
Quick one.
अभी अभी इतने टाइम भी नहीं लगाया था सीधा नीचे गया फिर ऊपर आ गया थोड़ा सबर करेगा तब तक मेरा काम हो जाएगा
Beamer it is. Okay. There might be some volume today. Damn, 30 minutes just ripped up. Let's go do my analysis. As I said, we have some cells, but we did not close below.
Beauty chopping I don't personally even
There's definitely volume here.
What's the range here? Range trade करने का शौक है तो कर लो यार
Well, we might have a good. Ooh. In the morning, I was thinking 4-hour flip up.
कितने pips थे 15 minutes
pips.
15 pips का शौक रखा था मैंने 26 pips
25 pips अच्छे on the break of 5. Oof. But nearby. Candles ripping out. It's a tough area for buys, guys. We can easily reject at any point. I'm gonna close above this for buys on the 5 at least anyway. But there's a lot of volume pushing up. We might close above actually. Is that a 4-hour flip? 4-hour has flipped. So now I wanted to set up in the morning in London session. Right now it's a bit late in the 4-hour closure. I don't know if it will actually work fail. It's got 20 minutes to not just quick fill, actually break the highs then, because you know it came all the way down, spent 3.5 hours staying bearish, and now it's coming up. We want to break highs at this point. It's tough zone. But let's see if we actually end up closing on 5 above this. We close above. Yeah, we want to probably push it down somewhere here. Yeah. Personally, gonna have to stay away from this for now. Even if we close above, we're just gonna, you know, just wait for the 4-hour to close. No need to FOMO, guys. Here, price can run up, price can break highs, it can go where it wants to, but we're not gonna get in this right now. We'll have to wait for our own setup to come up. Our topic is here. So buys would have been right here. So you got it tapped in already by now.
लगानी है ट्रेड
No. Would have already got it tapped in. Let's see. So it's not a trade, guys. We just looking at it. I'll move it away. It's not a trade. I'm just saying, if we had taken a trade on a break of the 4-hour highs, we'll have already gone tapped in, and right now we'll be in drawdown. So let's see if we reject or not. 5 minutes making bottom wicks, so there's a good chance we break highs again, unless it does not make a topic at all. We have tapped this zone, this minor area of rejection. You can see on the left as well, we've got the same. Yeah, the range isn't good. In for break of all these highs, you're looking at 10 pips. It's not worth trading in this area. But this wasn't a bad position here. The shadows took base of the 5. Let's push straight up. Now we wait. Damn, imagine this just flips. 5 minutes riding. Oof, tough luck.
Yeah,
15 flip.
75 पर एक्सेस मारा
हाँ
75 पर एक्सेस मारा
हाँ
as soon as it's ना buy it can you
क्या करना है?
इंस्टाग्राम का काम छोड़ I'm actually doing इंस्टाग्राम का मैं काम कर रहा हूँ उसको जैसा ना छोड़ I'm just saying buy हाँ उसी एरिया में आया जो एरिया मैंने दिया हो ना मेरा वाला कॉल I tap again that area और उधर बाय लगा के ना MT5 पे ट्रेड लगा दे with minimal stop loss
करनी है?
हाँ
नहीं रहने दो.
okay your choice man
नहीं दो अभी.
रेंज है रेंज की क्लियर ट्रेड है
अभी रहने दे भाई. एंट्री से जा चुका है.
ना एड विल अगेन टैप
हाँ नेक्स्ट 5 नीचे आएगा.
वो पे टैप करके
Yeah, but 15 made a bottom wick now. 50 has no broken lows. ले लेता हूँ आएगा दोबारा आने दे. Right guys, this is the value position. Supply them on the 5. Once it comes back to 2081.9, you can tap it into it. And partial will be here, I think. 2084. About 20 pips.
पहली देख लो मार्केट को, देख लो, अगर नहीं लगी इट्स नॉट ट्रेडिंग पे,
do
तो
it.
जिससे भाई मत अवॉइड दिस, दैट्स नथिंग, जबरदस्ती की ट्रेड नहीं दे।
Okay, my order is in. Make sure you do it according to your broker, wherever your broker makes the candle. Let's see if you get tempted. Minor stop loss है only 9 pips. You should get out as soon as you hit the.
Are you taking this trade?
Yeah, put it on the empty.
नहीं, you were saying now consolidating है, so let's just avoid it. मैं एक मुझे सिर्फ 5 मिनट चाहिए।
हाँ, रहने देना, अभी वक्त सही नहीं देने का। एनालिसिस हो सही हो तब भी बेस्ट अवॉइड कर। Alright, it's breaking highs again. We're gonna delete the order now, guys. Delete the limit order. This trade is running. It's running good, 20 to 40 pips. That's crazy. Just ran 40 pips in 10 minutes. That wasn't bad. But for now, it's not a trade. You wait now for the closure. Yeah, weird volatility here. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, and possibly bullish closure. Is it gonna break its highs again here? That would be wild. That means 50 came down to make a bottom wick, and now it's gonna break its highs again to push up, which will be the 4-hour highs. So it's a very volatile bit of candle here on this 30 minutes. We're gonna let it finish, play this thing out. I like this zone at 15 closing above. Problem is,
पता क्या हाल है?
it's a good range. You're getting 10, 15 pips.
आगे में वो तो बटा है कुछ एरिया पे उसी जगह में क्या होगा?
Yeah.
Should be a consolidating phase for me right now. अच्छा, भैया भाई ने एनालिसिस दिया। सर भाई, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yeah.
चलो मैं मेरा चार्ट खोल। Open my chart, baby. Let me do it. Consolidation phase. Market rejection. Pretty much awareness. 5 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम खोल। होगा? मार्केट बार बार इन दोनों में से जो जोन एरिया पहले टूटता ना, इनका स्टैंड साइड शॉर्ट को ये मतलब ये स्कैल्पिंग की जो है यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा मौजूद होता है और पर्सनली अवॉइड किया जाता है। ऐसे 10 पिप के लिए आपसे 10 पिप बना रहे हो तो ये लगा लो 10 पे ऊपर 10 पे नीचे, तो इसके बाद मानना तो
नहीं, हम स्कैल्पिंग नहीं करा रहे।
पर्सनली बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है कि स्कैल्पर जो होते हैं वो ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट के लिए नहीं क्या जो स्कैल्पर्स असली स्कैल्पर्स रेंजिंग मार्केट में करना आता है और जिनको डर नहीं लगता है जो कहते हैं वाइड करा
ऐसी ट्रेड नहीं देनी है। गुड सेटअप चाहिए।
गुड सेटअप तो आज नहीं आज पॉसिबल
गुड टेंशन नहीं है तो नहीं है। अपना सेटअप उसके हिसाब से लेंगे।
जो हीरो आज से मार्केट में देखो भी ना रीजन ये बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है। ये डिमांड जहाँ सेलर ज़्यादा पट्टा कर रहे हैं थोड़ा नीचे और कर रहे हैं जैसे तो सेलर एरिया जैसे तो सेलर एरिया ये तो ये ऐसे यहाँ पे सेलर सबसे ज़्यादा आ रहा है। और ये दो एरिया था, ये एरिया पूरा जहाँ बाय, ये एक एरिया पे बायर्स का सकता था, बायर्स यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, सेलर्स यहाँ। मार्केट में कोई वॉल्यूम नहीं है कि उसको कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं है या कोई क्वालिटी का नहीं है, बट इसलिए मार्केट बस यही करेगा यहाँ यहाँ। और पता नहीं उसके अंदर कहाँ से ताकत आएगी, रात के अराउंड 2 से 3 घंटे बाद मार्केट अचानक से बंद, पता नहीं कौन रात को बैठ के मार्केट चढ़ा दें। तो देखो उसकी बॉटम, ये तो बॉटम और 5 मिनट इसके अंदर ही बंद होता है ना, फिर देखना मार्केट फिर यहाँ यार एक बहुत मतलब ट्रेनिंग है, just for practice, not be going to give it train, but just practice। हमारी अपने 50% के लेवल से नीचे बंद होता है, यही तो तोड़ ही नहीं सकता है। अब जैसे आगे होता ना तो मतलब इस एरिया को देख लो, नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट डेट इसका ही
तो ये ऑरेंज बॉक्स ब्लू बॉक्स हटा देना, बड़ा है।
Let's see this again. GBP trade
4 hours just broke its highs again. At this point, 10 minutes left to the candle, it should just wake fill.
ज़्यादा बात है GBP की तो फ्लैट पर ट्रेड इसमें
Should wake fill, push up and just wake fill now. So a very strong 1 hour candle though. If it does end up wick filling, that'll be the 1 hour candle. A lot of pips in there. We got like
just check the
55,
last
50.
30 minutes. Small biggest candle.
Yeah. Some definitely some volume.
already 30 minutes candle.
Yeah, so market moved pre-London and then London kind of died out a bit. Just consolidation and just went down a bit of consolidation. Let's see if NOI pushes up. New 4 hour open, we'll see what the levels are at that point once the 4 hour opens up, and we'll see what trades we can catch today. NYC, if there's no volume at NYC, which will be in 40 minutes from now, if there's no volume, then we may have to call it a day early. There's a chance market maybe it will move late night, but later in the NY session, but personally will not be trading at that point.
न्यूज़ बहुत है तो मार्केट का फ्लो
Yeah.
और रेंज में ट्रेड्स करना है, आपने लॉस करवा देना, प्रॉफिट एक ट्रेड में हो गया फिर अगले के लिए ये मैच कर ले, फिर गेम ओके 15 मिनट let's get this daily on in the on then अच्छा ये लगा कर तमाशा करवाते हैं नॉट फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस वो क्या है टैक्स देख के तो प्रैक्टिस नहीं
मत दो भाई, क्यों दे रहे हो शैडो? जब देनी है नहीं तो दिखाओ नहीं ना, बस छोड़ो, अपने पास करो।
नहीं कुछ भी ना करो, बैठ के तमाशा कर ले 2 घंटे तो करने के लिए बैठ के कुछ तो ढूंढना मार्केट ऐसे ही है कि देखो ये लास्ट लिक्विडिटी है ना, ये लास्ट रेड कैंडल है, इसको भी स्वीप करेगी। हाँ ना, ट्रेड वेड नहीं हो भाई, नीचे लगी भी नहीं है, कोई भी देगा पता चलेगा ट्रेड थोड़ी कर रहा है, क्योंकि सब लोग पे नहीं है। कैसा मजा आएगा गाड़ी आती चले। अगर अब ये नीचे गिरेगा ना तो जरूरी इस लाल बैंड है। हाँ
हटा हट गया तो।
और लिख दिया भाई, तो मैं कंट्रोल ही कर रहा था तेरा वाला भी। हाँ अंदर ही कर रहा हूँ मैं बैठ के। Come on, Lord. Bullshit. पंद्रह मिनट में कितना टाइम है?
कलर इतना वो क्यों हो रहा है इसका? चेंज किया है, ट्रांसपेरेंट किया है, पैसिटी कम किया है।
हाँ 3 कलर का था लाइट नहीं, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क
आज
और लाइट दिख रहा था मैं डार्क कर।
7 minutes left, very strong 30 this one. We're still spreading into at some point with fill on the 4 hour now.
हम डेफिनेटली स्वीप, पर मुझे चाहता हूँ 5 मिनट में।
नहीं समझ नहीं आ रहा, 4 hour देखो अगर उसने 1 hour देखो ऑर्डर ग्रैब करके ऊपर आ रहा है, हाई ब्रेक करने जा रहा है, इवेंचुअली अपने हाइस को टच करना चाहिए।
मुझे पता क्यों लग रहा है कि मार्केट जो है एकदम हुआ ना तो ये ऑल ऑफ सडन एकदम लाएगा जो हमें भी पता, हम बोलेगा ये क्या है। चल यार रिसर्च को ने क्योंकि दैट आई थिंक पर्सनली कि क्या हाल है किसी मार्केट ठीक है। अरे मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ, बहुत अच्छा हूँ। डेली वॉच आउट 30 मिनट ये भी तोड़ सकते।
At this point, it's almost there on the 4 hour.
बहुत स्ट्रांग है।
Yep, it did it. So good analysis there. I guess it worked out. Our entries were right here. We would have gotten 20 pips at that point if you would have entered off the 4 hour, but you know, it played a game here. It kept us in, went down deep in drawdown, then back up, and we have broken out. So last 4 minutes, I wasn't sure if you could actually break out at this point. Better to stay away and wait for closures rather than anticipate the move. But we are about to break highs. So this 4-hour candle spent 3.5 hours making bottom wick, staying bearish, and then the last 30 just pushed straight up. This is 30 and we have broken highs, so we are officially in a new range. Let's see if we close above or not. If we do close above this 1 hour, we still want a bottom wick for any potential buys. And if we close above, we will wait for the bottom wick. But let's go to left and find some kind of ranges. I see this here. We want to go smaller time frame to see if actual resistance is here. Yeah, no resistance. This is crazy. This 30 just opened and pushed, and then it just started rejecting from there when it made the new all-time highs. Hard to see data now. Ooh, we almost have it on 15. So yeah, 15 just literally nothing in terms of resistance. So ideally, we'll wait for 2100. I think is a good zone to target us. That's a big range. We might have to just base it off pips. There's not much data I can see. We want a top wick though. We don't want a bottom wick. Top and bottom wicks.
मार्केट है तो परफेक्टली पड़ा क्या सब है.
Yeah, it's just 4 hour overtaking all of this. It never broke low, so it's like good chance that we'll break highs at some point. This is volume candle. So will we actually see a volume the next 30, or is it gonna die out? We have seen this before. Before NYC open, we saw a candle of volume, but then it slowed down, and then we started seeing more volume late in the session. But this is pushing hard. This 5 minute is just gone. No bottom wicks is what you expect for the next 5 to push up. So high chance next 5 is gonna push up, break highs without a bottom wick, then it's gonna come down at some point. So we're not gonna be in any trade for a bit. I do expect next 5 to not make a bottom wick at this point. It's just going. Man, this 5 just what made 20 pips, 40 pips. Yeah, it just won 5 candle. It's like Friday all over. Let's see. You see how this 4 hour pushed? Crazy push. We might see this push. Who knows? Imagine seeing all-time highs hit today out of all days.
That's quite far, man.
I know. Imagine though, the way 4 hours is closing.
Just like Bitcoin is moving up the first.
Look, we had very same here, just like we did here. But obviously it's 4 hours closing now, so it was the next. No, it's gonna be the next 4 hour if it moves. Okay, yeah, not starting bottom wick. I think. I feel I should wick fill first. Yeah, I guess we are making bottom wick. Okay, so the plan is we have broken out of range. So we are in a new range. We don't really know where it is. So plan will be we will look for buys, but for that we have to wait for some kind of bearish closures below, well above respecting 2087 zone. So we will wait for 5 or 15, likely 15 minutes or 30. We want to see some actual closure, bearish closures to make a new support for us to keep going up. So if it starts breaking highs now, which means we didn't really get a closure on the 5 or 15, we'll wait once we see some more structure, because this easily could be liquidity to start going down. So it's not confirmed where the bottom wick is for now. I do expect 4 hour there's a chance. Ideally we want to see something like in the zone, the 4 hour bottom wick, grabbing all these orders to push up, which we wanted. I personally would have wanted this candle to have done the previous 4 hour. It came close but never broke lows, but it would have been perfect for buy straight away. Like we don't have to wait, we'll probably get in at this point, or once it starts breaking hands we'll just get in. But we don't have a bottom wick here, so we're gonna have to wait and see if we get some closures respecting this zone. We just have to wait for some structure at this point. We don't want to get faked out on the like 1 hour fake out back in, you know, like it closed bullish and then faked out, bullish, faked out. You know, there's a chance it can fake out here on the 1 hour. Even if price goes up, we just want to use this drawdown. So we wait a bit. Yeah, ideally will be this. Alright, 5 will be closing bullish. We have made a bottom wick. We're gonna have no top wick on this, I think. Tiniest of top wicks, not enough really. Chance. We wanna see 2087 get tapped here for the 4 hour to have a bottom wick. And then it's breaking highs again. It will be good for buys. But we've seen this so many times, so like here. Consider this candle here, this bearish closure. At one point, we were breaking up, we broke highs. I'm guessing we might not have a steep bottom wick, we might have a small bottom wick. I mean, we can probably check only 1 hour. And is this the candle? Bearish closure here. Oh, let me see what candle is this. It is the 6 p.m. candle. Okay, this is this one. So this candle made the whole move for the 4 hour, and the rest of the candles is nothing. 1, 2, 3, yeah. But you can see how we did close bullish and we did break highs. At some point we were gonna go up to the next range, but then we start coming back down for the 4 hour and continue down. So there is a chance it can break highs and hit the 2096 zone maybe, and still flip bearish to stay down on the 4 hour, you know. So we want to see a step on 2087 before breaking highs, and then once it does come back up, break highs, it'll be good, which will give us structure on the lower time frame. On the 5 and the 15 we'll have some structure, some bearish closures will make new structure, new support, and it'll be good buys then. So we wait. So we either wait for 2087 to get tapped or 2096 to get tapped. So if we get tapped 87, it would be good buys on the break of highs. But if we don't get tapped down there and it starts breaking highs now, we tap 2096. We want to wait for closure above 2096 then at that point for us to get buys. It's good as trying to make a barometer gain. Yeah, so 7 minutes for 15 minutes. I don't think we're gonna do anything for the next 15, guys. For this 15 closure, I mean, for the next 7 minutes. We'll just wait. We might have to wait for the 30 to open up, which will be NYC open, which may bring in volume for us to actually break out properly. Okay.
हाँ भाई लगता है कुछ मार्केट में जा रहे हैं खत्म।
देखो देखो अभी तो खुला है मार्केट को, टाइम दो। 1 आवर तो है ना, अभी 1 आवर क्लोज तो होगा। 1 आवर तो है। Right, I'll be back in a minute, guys. Alright, I'm back.
वापस जा बुलाएंगे.
Wow, hit the target pretty good there. 30 pips. No bottom wick, no entry. I had a 5 close above. Set a close above, fake out, and close back up, and just push. Winning the range.
Yeah, I believe I will be alright temporarily.
I think volume, man. I think there's potential positions. There is a lot of volume here. We tapped the target that we wanted on this. If anyone really wanted to grab it, you know, 25 pips there. Even though there's no bottom wick on 15, you just. I'm not sure if this is enough of a bottom wick on the 4. Let's see, what have we done here before? Where have we made bottom wick before we actually pushed up? I mean, we only pushed up once, in which we'd have no bottom wicks. Just ran up. Wow, it's a crazy push on a Monday. Yeah, it was after the week off. On the Monday, just pushed up. Crazy push up. Well, I pushed like in the 130 candle. I managed to push up by about 700 pips. Okay, so we did not tap 2087, we tapped 2096 first, so we will see what happens now. Are we gonna close above or we're gonna close below? If you close above, there's potential buys. If you close below, there is potential waiting. नींद आ रही है?
नहीं, मसला तो नहीं. कल न्यूज़ है कोई?
अबे एनालिसिस क्या है? पूरा हफ्ता न्यूज़ है.
नहीं, कल
हाँ, तो पूरा हफ्ता है.
कल की चीज़ ये है ऐसी.
PMI, I think.
इम्पोर्टेंट है या अवॉइडेबल है?
PMI.
PMI?
I think PMI. Yes, services PMI.
अवॉइडेबल मतलब.
Avoidable क्या होता है? Red folder है. 3 बजा है. So you know, उससे पहले ट्रेड मिल गई तो मिल गई.
उसको बैठ के देखो.
All late news, pretty much. Wednesday's a very heavy news day, so it's gonna be super volatile. We got early news and we got late news. Thursday we got early unemployment as usual. Then we got late testifying as well, Powell. And Friday is NFP Friday again. So yeah. So tomorrow may be okay day, but then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is gonna get crazy. It should get crazy. Should be lots of volume.
मैंने देखा शॉर्ट है 28 साइमन तो तभी नहीं बढ़ रहा सब बहुत बढ़ रहा है.
चले जाओ.
I'm not feeling good. 7:30 तक मिला. There is no volume left. Probably आज थोड़ा लेट होगा.
No problem.
पता नहीं. सैमसंग को भी बाय नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Yeah, 7:30 I believe time net हो. चुनी सर दबाने गई इतने ज़्यादा कोई मेरा आगे सर दबा. और ट्राई करने से चला ये जो कि आगे सर दबाओ.
Okay. Right, कर दी.
बहुत दर्द कर रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत दर्द।
Where is the volume? 5 minute candle is slow now. It's been 3 minutes. Hasn't moved. Until this whole price going to move, consolidate, move, consolidate, then move. Which means entries will be hard during those times for us to actually get in base of the lower time frame. Looks like 5 is pushing up. It might break highs now.
चल यार, यार मार्केट का हाई ब्रेक कर दिया देखा। इंडिया अल्टरनेटिव बुलिश।
चल तू जान।
हाँ मैं जा रहा हूँ, पढ़ सकता हूँ उस पर पहले अब हम महसूस छोड़ा नहीं कि मैं आ रहा हूँ, मेरा सर दवाई पे आ रहा हूँ और बातों दवाई नहीं बस चलिए बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बुलिश हुआ है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग मार्केट में होने वाला है क्या कुछ है। तो मैं क्या था, आज कोई ट्रेड नहीं हुई, आज कोई वॉल्यूम में नहीं बात।
Yeah, I wasn't really expecting much. It's still moved, but all in one direction, I guess. Only green time frame is 30 minutes right now. This was the buys, but this was
अगर से
the
अपनी घंटे मार ब्रेक कर दिया तो ठीक होना, प्रोबेबली हो सकता है कि पीके एनआईपी बहुत अफेक्ट करने वाला है इसको, either it will break its all time high और 500 पिप्स है all time high ब्रेक करने के लिए।
Yeah, it's gonna be a while. Let's see. Waiting on 30 to close above, and then we may have buys. Otherwise, well, we'll see. Otherwise, what happens?
Next stream
Well, let's see if we get a closure here then. This will be our buys above this now. Let me see the zone once again. Do we have to move it? 30. There's a potential for buys, but Let's see if we get a bottom wick or not. You wanna see a closure above the wick, I think. Yeah, above this wick. You wanna see it break its high again? Which will be good. Okay. Let's go 2 minutes then. 2 minutes left. Will it break its highs again? Leave a top wick, and then we have buys going up. What is 5 minutes doing? I guess 5 minutes doing this right now. And I do feel like we may just push straight up with no bottom wick, just like how we already have done it. Like it has happened so many times already. 10 अच्छे हो गए.
I'm just waiting for 30 minutes for whatever happens in my chart. That's the change. That's a part of the journey. That's a part of the stream.
See, this is the problem with trading the all-time highs. There's no data for us to look at left. It's all just minor stuff.
Just pin the what do you pin it? In the feed is for Telegram. उसको pin कर दो. In comment section. You can do it, man. Or I should do it from the.
It's pinned. कर दी pin.
कर दूँगा.
कर दिया.
Okay, भाई ये तो push कर दिया.
Okay, that's good. See, that's what we want. We want a position. Come on, leave a small topic and we've been trade chat to make a Noah.
Empty. Okay, sure. I can.
Okay, last 30 seconds. NYC opening up as well. Will we see a good push? Right at it. Okay, right at it. That is okay. Yeah, we cancel trader. So bottom wick. Where do you want a bottom wick? Your voice is lagging now. Not enough bottom wick. Okay, last 15 has no bottom wick, so I want to see a bottom wick on the last 15 break. We want to see a bottom wick right here in 2091.80 zone. If we get a bottom wick here, we have buy stocks above and we'll be in the guys. So can this 30 candle make a bottom wick and then flip back up? So we got the closure we needed. Now we just need to wait for the entry to happen. So there is a chance that we just flip and we'll just keep going up, but there's no confirmation that we have a bottom wick here. It's just gonna be hard for us to take any trade, but you can do your analysis. If this is your setup, you should take it. For me personally, I will wait for a bottom wick. And your target will be 2100 as we had before, which will be around here. We had this target earlier, so this will be your target, basically about 25 pips, 23 pips there, 23 to 25 pips, you'll be alright. But we want to see a bottom wick. There's a good chance we'll just go up now. It's breaking highs.
Yeah, should I wait or should I leave? Man, I'm just waiting for.
हाँ
I'm done.
हाँ जाओ
I'm done, man. I'm done. Just.
चले जाओ
लेकिन मैंने जो बाहर शॉप देख लो
don't
और आज नहीं बाहर शॉप दोबारा मैं देख रहा था बस ये बैठा हूँ कि ट्रेड का कुछ बन रहा है या नहीं
need to wait for bottom एक सही है तो जा
तो
buy
बताओ
stop होगा वैसे भी टेंशन नहीं
चलो चलो आप पहले चलो मदद मेरी नहीं हुई पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है पड़ रहा
चलो
कल मैं इंशाल्लाह आपसे कल बात करता हूँ इस साथ साथ की तबीयत बेहतर हो
no worries take your time
बीमार इंसान कल कंफ्यूज हो
हाँ
ठीक
चलो
है अल्लाह हाफिज़
अल्लाह हाफिज़ see the 5 closure then still pushing up oh let's see how we close on 5 bars planning on taking buy stops on the break of the highest here once the next 5 made a bottom wick for this current 5 so we break low so based on the 15 will come down break lows again and then push back up and break highs again but we are closing bearish on the 5 and closing under the range as well so if you close respecting would have been better move this, we'll wait for closure above this new resistance I just made. So once we close above, and it has made a bottom wick now, we will know better, we have better direction. But this was saying like, it can break highs, trap the buyers in, and then start coming back down. And for all we know, 1 hour can just flip and keep going down. You know, where will your stops be at? It will be below the 30 lows, which will be the 1 hour lows. Will be next to this 15, maybe one the bottom wick. Yeah, there's a chance it can still go bullish from here, but just because we had no bottom wick, it was a trade that I wanted to avoid at this point. Especially when there is volume, there's higher chance of actually make those wicks. But this is dropping heavy. Yeah, this 5 just ripped. With the way 5 closed, I thought it would just push up a little, break a few wicks here, and then go bullish again because it closed with no bottom wick. I had no range, but I guess it just ripped. So will we get a bottom wick at 91? Video poll here, guys. Swap poll, yeah. What trade? Oh, no. Let's see. What should we ask? Should I ask you guys what should we be taking buys or sells here? Okay, what? So wait 1 hour close bullish or bearish? Alright, let's see. Will 15-minute break highs or not? So will 15-minute break its current highs to give us a possible trade or not? That would be our poll. So everyone in the poll, in the chat, start answering. I want everyone in the poll to give a answer. Go on, guys, we got a few people here. I want everyone to vote here. Okay, so the results are in. We got a few votes here. Alright, so people are voting for yes. They are expecting 15-minute to break its highs again. With the waves coming back up, there's a good chance. We got 5 minutes left. This, see, this is what I'm saying. With the way the 5 close here, I will not expect to push down like this, right? But it did reject off it. And now it will make a top wick here and actually break. There's a good chance we can break highs now at this point with the exhaustion wick it got. So as long as this 5 closing bullish and actually closing above 2096, the next candle, next 15 will just fill up. It may not make a very steep bottom wick, but it will likely fill the wick and break highs actually. So I guess if you want to take a buys here, you know, it was a possible chance here of base of the way the candles close. Doesn't always work, but there's like 18 pips there. But then the stops will be 2093 below there because it can make a bottom wick anywhere in this zone, but still close bullish. But we got volume here. It didn't tap our 2091 area, but we actually came down on the 15, so 15 breaking highs again. Should be good enough for us to say that this was a bottom wick. But that would be the 4 hour coming back up, breaking its highs once more. But let's see, will 15 break its highs again? 3 minutes left. You guys are saying it will. Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute seconds in me. It made structure here to push up. Support. This closure will be above hopefully, and then did we break highs, guys? Did we break? We have broken highs and we have tapped 2100 exactly on the dot. We broke highs and we pushed up straight away. There's no entries for us to get into. It's just one of those days where we see potential moves. We saw once it breaks 2093, it will go to the next area. We tapped it perfectly. Once it breaks this next area for us 297, it went up to 2100 zone. Didn't quite tap it, but I think we'll tap it at some point anyway. But it's just a rough area anyway. I didn't just not much resistance there. It's just all minor levels. It's just a zone. But yeah, but once again, this one broke highs, but we had no bottom wick for us to enter in. And here once again, it just was between the 5-minute candles. So if you were trading 5-minute, maybe you could have gotten into this candle, into this trade, but this was an hour trade. We'll wait for the actual closures that we wanted, which is the 15 to close. And this is not bad. It pulling back down won't be too bad. I actually don't mind, because that will leave us a wick fill. Okay, let me find the next area then. I have to go under 15. But be ready, guys. Potential positions coming up. You want a bottom wick on the next 15? And we'll be in it. Alright, 2103 will be the next target on this bottom wick. It's an area we can probably get into. Alright, let's see. 15. You want a bottom wick? And we'll be it. Now, where we want a bottom wick here? Yeah, I think around 2095 area. So around 2095 zone, this area, we get a bottom wick. It'd be good. It'd be good to keep going up to 2103. Alright, look in, guys. We just want a bottom wick, and we'll definitely be in those trades, man. It's been annoying. We haven't had bottom wick twice, and price hit our targets. But there's no need to foam on that. It's part of our plan. If you don't get the wicks, because price will just try and make it at some point, which is not what we want. So 1 hour is looking clean. If you actually enter off the break, which was a 4-hour high, I believe, according to the original plan, we almost hit the 60 pip marker there. So wouldn't be too bad. Okay, at this point you should be probably taking some partials out, because 2100 is a decent area. Alright, let's see what we do here. Sorry, I was muted. I was saying you can see how the 1 hour has played so far after some massive consolidation here. We finally broke out here. We finally broke out here. We broke out, we consolidated, broke out again, and now we consolidated. So time for us to break out again. So there's a good chance 2103 is possible here in this zone. And even more. It can go higher. It's to our next zone, which could be 2120. So you know, it's just gonna keep increasing. But all-time highs are not that far off now. It's definitely possible for we to get all-time highs this week with the amount of news. If all the news play in bullish, oh wow, we just gone. We're gonna go make new highs. We making new highs are like at 2200 zones. Just crazy for gold at this point. And yeah, as I was saying, 1 hour we're seeing a bit of breakout now, and we're gonna see some more consolidation during Asian and pre-London later NY sessions. We may see some more consolidation because we're moving, but 2100 is getting tapped again. Well, let me just remove all this. Well, I'm expecting price to still move. There's still volume here. There's still a move. I don't think the day has finished moving. I do think there's still some movement left. So we will. Oh, my price got rejected here. 2103. Where we got? Why did it move? It was 2130. Point to something. Yeah. So I do expect price to move still, but we will have to get our bottom wicks here. Now we're just not getting the entries that we want. Once we do that, we'll be in. I do expect price to move, but if we don't get any position in the next 40 minutes, so when the next 30-minute closes, we'll call it a stream for today, and we'll come back tomorrow hoping for some better positions. You saw how we haven't had many trades during NY just because London has been moving more, but since last Friday, we saw how the New York moved, like this crazy push. I was just not expecting London to move, so it did not really move as expected, and I was expecting NY to start picking back up. So it was just in that cycle at that point. Now I believe we are out of the cycle. We should be able to move in New York, and we should be able to get some trades now. But London was the move in the last 2-3 weeks. So we'll wait for closure. Let's see if this 15 rejects again and starts making bottom weight, and then it's back up. Like that will be like third or fourth time now it's doing this. Breaks highs, makes new highs, comes back down to make bottom wicks, and then pushes back up to break highs and to make newer highs. So it's basically on the lower time frame, like on the 5. Like it's crazy, right? It's making higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. Sorry, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Like, go on in 1 minute. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, low. So not the clean, it's not clean price action it's doing, but it's doing it all in one move. If you trade off the 1 hour or the 30, yeah, it's clean enough. It's very clean. But on the lower time frame, it's just dropping. It's a bit hard. Thing is, any trades we will take and will just hit stop loss for us, likely, or break even before we actually got the move happen. But yeah, 30 minutes closing, 6 minutes left. We'll wait now. While we're waiting, you know what? We might as well play some games. Let's play some tic-tac-toe, shall we? We have to wait now, so no point doing anything else. but that was an easy win. I win, I believe. Oh no, I already blocked it. Oh, I win here. Nice. I put it in the middle, so I can't win it now. Oh, I win now. I don't know how I did that again. Man, this computer is not running well. This AI is not acting out. I win again. Okay, now I don't think I can win. All I can do is this. Okay, they don't put it in the middle. I can win this now. So I can put it here and win, like this, or like this, or I can put it here. No, I can put it in the middle, and it will put a sucker here or here, and but I will win the cross anyway. Right. So when you go in the middle, you can't really win, I think. I believe. Oh, you can win. I don't know why I just keeps doing this. It put it here, I put it here. It put it here, I block it. I don't know why it goes here. It should go here. What's with the computer today? It's not working well. Oh, I didn't want to go back. Is there no... What's bouncy ball? What the hell? Yeah, no thank you. No strengths right now. Let's go back to Tacto. Reset, that is fine. Go middle. It went there. You now fill this. Oh no, I wasn't. I wasn't looking. Right, that's fine. That's fine. We have to give it one win, right? Let's see if it gives me a win. No, I didn't. I win. I went in the middle. I cannot win now. I win. Yeah, 3x. I did not see this. Then why did it make a sucker here then? Wow. I don't understand why it's doing this. It didn't even try and block any of my crosses. It's still stuck at 2100. Is it gonna try and... Yeah, I did try at least once. But I won't win it. Bad luck. We broke above. Yeah, so 2100 won't be a bad closure above here. We still got range going up 20 pips. This will be our last try, I think. If you don't get anything, we might have to call it. But expecting this is 1 hour closure, there's a chance we will see. I mean, with the way it's closing, it doesn't need a huge steep bottom wick. But ideally, I would prefer a bottom wick. Will we close with no top wick though? That is a question. Alright, we may not need a bottom wick. No, not a steep one. Alright, lock it in chat, lock it in. We're gonna have a trade, potential trade. If there's no top wick, oh, we're gonna have to call it. We can already go. No top wick, it will be done. If there's a top wick, there's a chance. We wait for a small bottom wick and we just get in. Remember last week we tried this with small bottom wick, but the price came back down and actually made a steeper bottom wick, even though it wasn't making earlier. Alright, we're gonna have a top wick. Alright, cool. We got bottom wick. Alright, I'm in buys here, guys. Buys right here, guys, up the wick. Stop loss maybe 1 hour lows, guys, which will be steep. Break even will be here, probably partials as well. Yeah. This will be point. We may close partials here. So once we flip, we get out. We don't want to see a break as lows again though. But let me see, a stop loss position would be likely here maybe. Ideally your stop will be like here, you know, below the 1 hour lows, but it's too steep of stops for us to have, and it is a risky trade. Again, 1 hour, as we saw here, did not make much and we push. And this happened to us last week as well, where we decided to get in on a small bottom wick. We didn't really wait, but then that one, I think we had to sell on that one because that one actually ran down. The stops can be adjusted. I'm just waiting for this 5 to close, and if we start breaking 5s again on the next 5, that is, we may have to get out. Isn't too steep, at least at the moment. 35 pips, those will be stops. TP will be 2103. It's almost a, yeah, this is a 1 hour trade. You don't have to do partials here. You can just go break even on this partial line. Well, we got about 15 pips though. So about 15 pips around here. You wanna go. You wanna secure your position. You wanna go break even. But that will be the trade for today. We'll see if we get in. We're just hoping this 15 does not break lows again. We have broken in previous low, which means we have grabbed some orders. It should just break highs at this point, just start running back up. Now we want to see rejection here. Mine was a 99.6. Unbelievable, about 0.5 here. Okay, can we flip here, guys? This is what we want. A flip on a 15. You'll be risk free on the flip of the 15, which should be 1 hour highs, and hopefully 1 hour can give us a move something like this that we saw here. 2103 is our closest target, but you can extend your TP if you want, guys. You can keep going up. Alright, 5 has closed. Now ideally I don't want to see 5 breaking lows. If it does break lows, there's a chance we may see 2096 get tapped, which may just give us pull us out of the trade. Let's see. Alright, if you don't like the trade, this is your chance to get out. We are at break even. You can pull out if you want now. But will we see 15 flip now? Okay. It'd be best if this 5 actually does make us flip on a 15. That gives up 5 more minutes for the next 15 to actually hit our TP before 15 ends up closing. I don't know if you want us to move stops here. We'll be about 15 pips below the 5. Once we do flip, we'll be risk free anyway, guys. So we'll just wait. We'll wait now. Go on then, 5. Ooh, this is not good, but we'll wait. Gonna have to wait for the actual closure of the 5. If you wanna see a closure above 2099 zone, basically above our break-even area, really, it'll be solid, because then there's a high chance it will actually flip. Okay, 5 flipped. Not a good news for us. Did we break lows yet? We haven't. Let's flip back up. What is 1 minute doing? Is there lots of bearish pressure here? No top weight, just push down. If just 1 minute close bullish should be good. But we're expecting the zone on the 1 minute even. Alright, there's a chance, guys. This 15 pushes below now. Yeah, we're breaking lows. Alright, we might have to get out here, guys. 1 minute did break low, but not below this. Let's see. Okay, this might be a good chance for everyone to get out on break even. If you want to get out, you're getting another chance here to get out on the break even, guys. Hopefully price moves up. 5-day closed, well, weak, almost doji. So we're probably gonna manage this trade based off the 15. If 15, yeah, we just wait 15 to close out, and then we move the stops to near the 15 low. So we move the stops a little bit above 2096 zone maybe, and we'll let the trade run then. Once again, ideal stops will be below the 1 hour lows, but we don't really have the range. If you have to enter this trade, I would say wait for the 1 hour to break its height, and then you can enter to go up to 2103 then. Let it make its bottom wick. The whole idea of this trade was first to get in based off how we have made little bottom wicks on the previous 2 1 hours. So we were like, okay, it may not make a steep bottom wick, we'll get in. Which is what we've been waiting all day for, bottom wicks. Once we enter, of course, that's when it wants to make a bottom wick. So there's a chance we get stopped out here. This is a good chance at this point. It is breaking slows again. Yeah, every time it keeps breaking slows, it should just at this point run. The 1 minute is not making any bullish closures. We close below the range recent support of 1 minute, and we're still pushing now. Okay. So 2 minutes left. Unlikely 15 will flip. So the idea is that 30 flips up. So will we survive the bottom wick of the next 15 to push us up? Still doesn't have a top wick, and yeah, the trade was based off that we'll make a top wick at this point. But a 5 bullish closure would be good. We just want to see some bullish closures. Indo be in one way help too much, I believe, but closure would be good. It will allow next candle to stay bullish. Stops below the current. It will save you 15 pips, but it's risky. Next 15 can come down. Okay, with the 15 coming to closure, guys, we will move stops about here, 2097.2. Just leave a good few pips below the bottom in case next 15 wants to grab order. Yeah, leave about 3 pips, but otherwise we're just reducing risk here. If we get tapped, there's a good chance. If we get tapped here on the stop loss, there's a good chance we'll tap our bottom of the range again. So, ooh, 5 close without a top wick, not the best. Oh, it did make a top wick actually. Okay, so that's okay. That's okay. You are break even now, guys. Again, this is the moment if you want to get out. Personally holding it, and we'll be good to go. We'll be good to go. We'll be closing. We are not risk free yet. So is this 15 top wick, or are we just making bottom wick to go up? That is the question. So as long as we survive this, so now we made a top wick, we can move our stops close. So you can move all the stops, guys, now to the 15 high, oh 15 lows. We break those, it should just keep going down at that point. There's no reason for the price to push up once it breaks those. Because breaking those means it wants to grab more orders to push up eventually, which will be the 1 hour flip eventually. There's a good chance 1 hour will flip with the way with how bullish we've been. But this is the first 15 bearish closure since we've been here. Yeah, we started stream here at 12:30. We saw a few bearish once the move started happening. That's the first 15 bearish closure. Alright, now we just wait here on the 5 minutes. So you have multiple chances to get out if you don't like the trade. You had opportunity to get out. I'm in all the way, Luca. Yes, sir. I'm in on this trade. We will hold it. So now our stops are manageable. When the trade opened, yeah, the stops weren't quite clear we could get, but now we got like 20 pip stops. So I believe everyone should be okay with that. And ideally, if you're not in the trade, I would say do not enter here. It's your best interest to actually either wait for a 15 bullish closure and enter on the break of the 15 highs once it has a bullish closure, otherwise wait on the 1 hour actual flip. Because then you have confirmation this is a bottom wick. But how many times you've seen that doesn't make the... Okay. Alright, we're pushing. Can we flip now? Alright, now far off. This 5 closure around here anyway. Closing, wait, literally where it is right now. If you close something like this, there's a good chance we should be able to rip up and flip the 1 hour candle. And your partials at this point, I would say once, because we made structure 2101.5. So wherever your highs are of the previous 1 hour, you can take your partials there. But break even on the flip, okay guys? BE on the flip. You don't have to secure here, but you have to go BE on this. Because once it does flip, it can always come back down. We wanna be risk free at that point, okay? 10 seconds left. How much difference is there? 6 pips. So in the middle somewhere here you can always get purchase, you know, it's just a zone. It's not a hard set area. You can always get out in this zone. So new 5 opened up. We closed bullish, decent bullish here. Can we break the highs then? Alright, 1 hour about to flip. Okay everyone, time to go risk free on this trade. We have not closed anything, but partials are soon to be here. We just want to secure our position here. 1 hour just flipped, I believe. Yeah, once we break highs, we should be able to fly. Till then, we might hover around here. Let's see if this 5 closing above as well. Would be good. But we are break even, guys. We are break even on this trade. Risk free, no risk on this table for anyone. You can close position if you want, anyone. We are 10 pips up right now. 11. We should be decently up at this point. Okay, it's trying to break highs. Alright, we broke highs. Partial time. Closing 0.8. Okay. Beautiful trade. Partials have been secured. Alright, TP should be extended. Let me quickly extend. Yeah, cancel take profits, guys. We can extend this TP. We can have runners up to like 2110, I would say. So 2110, I would say, guys, will be your runners. Alright, so leaving stocks at break even, we will go to 2110 and we will see if we get it. We will probably close some more partials along the way. I will let you guys know. But not a bad trade at all. 5 minute is rejecting at the moment. Let's see. 2103 was our target. If you wanted a second partial, you could have taken it, but we got partials higher than we wanted, 2102. So we got like between here in this range. So that's why I didn't close any more partials. We got more higher partials here compared to before. But this is what we wanted. We just need to survive the 1 hour bottom wick, and we could have moved. If our stops were below here, we'll have no trouble with the drawdown because we'll be expecting this kind of drawdown. But it will be too big of a drawdown for us. But 5-minute close above the recent. So let's see. If you get a bottom wick here, we can trail stops. There's no bottom wick at the moment, so you wanna keep your previous 5, previous 5, or you could go below the 15, but I mean that will be at SL. You don't want any stupid break useless drawdown there. Anyway, W there. Once you break highs, guys, you can trade stops. You can do what you want here, but we have to wait for the break of highs here. Once you break highs, you can trade stops. But let's do general. Our third trade of the month. As I said, the move of the day didn't really happen. We still have positions areas to open. We wanted bottom wick here, we didn't get it. When we wanted to enter, I believe it came down. Yeah, basically was there, so we had no bottom wick to push up, so we couldn't really get enter on there. And on this one, we finally made a bottom wick, so it's a good entry on the break of highs. If someone entered there, you could have secured 15 pips. But the entry is so well that I believe it should break highs once more. But now we can trail. 2110 should be the target, I believe. And we can take another set of partials. Two partials there. We can take another set of partials, maybe. At 2104 or 5 somewhere, maybe halfway there. So this is a resistance sample, right? Okay, let me before we go back, find some data. Okay, how far do I have to go? Okay. Top wick would be good. So top wick would be our second partial zone. Maybe a little bit. Once you break, it should just break. So in the zone. So this would be good second place for partials. After the second partials, I suggest you can take another partial if you want, maybe around this zone, like halfway between these, the full TP. Otherwise, you can hold for full TP if you want, and you can always keep trailing SL. But we can now remove this line. But we got our trade there. So once we break highs, previous highs of this 5, we can trail SL. Till we don't, we can't really do anything, and just keep the trade as is. But a beautiful trade, guys, this was. If I quickly... Alright, so we got this trade at the open. Breakout, the enter of the wick, the 1 hour, and we have secured 26 pips. This is how much you scored on this trading view. Yeah, about the same. So personally got 26 pips. This range is tough here. We may hit break even, but we keep going. New 30-minute coming up. Question is, Can we survive a bottom wick? Can our break even survive the bottom wick for the next 30? New 30 open up. Okay, at this point we have a small bottom wick on 30. We can trail SL on this 30 because if 30 comes down after making a top wick, there's a good chance it will keep going down. So you can trail if you want, guys. It's all up to you. Okay, if you want to 2100 where our break-even point was, you can always put it there. There's a chance we hit it, but you secure something then. Because 30 can easily break close again and keep pushing down. It may close bearish, so we just want to be out of this position at that point. But you can always leave a break even. It's not too far away. But it was a W day, chat. A W day. Took some gold. Buys plus 26. Why not? But this is correct start of the month. Of the week, I was actually now. The month is a problem. The month already started last Friday. But that'll be the second win of the month. We have not. Let me just put this here. I can journal up quickly. Make sure it's all up to date. Should be 66, yeah, 67. Okay, 67%. I don't think we need. I think we need to. And lifetime will be the 10th win. It's a milestone for us. $30 is flipping, I believe, yes. Can we fill the wick here? This is what we need. A wick fill here. Wick fill means it will break highs, which means we can keep going up. And that is exactly what we want. 201, 1016, 6.5, 67. And that is a record there. Wait to fill this last pip secure once our position closes full. But yeah, at this point you should be able to trail SL. Keep it below the 30 and you'll be good. Nice, so pushing. And it's still crazy to see 2100 zone. It's pushing. Will we see runners today? Once you break high, guys, yep, just put your stop loss below the 30, which is the break-even point, and you can keep moving trail SL on the previous 30, but leave a few pips gap in case a candle wants to come down, grab orders to still push up. So there's a possibility. So you don't wanna get your SL get trail SL get hit and still go in your direction. So just leave a few pips. But right now we're gonna keep going, and 2100 is our target. 100 pips is what we're aiming for. But 2104 is a strong area for you to get your partials. You get your partials there above 48 pips, so nearly 50 pips. I would suggest you take another partial, close half of your position, and then you let the rest run. And let's see if we actually manage to run. Will this 1 hour push up like we have seen the last 2 hour push up? Will we see that? Or we're gonna start consolidating the zone? But yeah, at this point, you just need to see a high break. A high break will be the push up to 2104 zone. Okay, we just learned what they're gonna do. I think I'll call it here, guys. Now call it stream. We waited patiently for our scepter to come. We saw a bit of a drawdown. Let's see how much actually drawdown we got. Yeah, just 18 pips, 19. So under 20 pip drawdown. That's not a lot. Thankfully, the 1 hour didn't decide to make a very steep bottom wick. You know, considering everything, it could have gone all the way down to 2090 zone to make a bottom wick. It was good that 15 just decided not to close, not to keep going bearish, just close bullish. But yeah, we're gonna call it a stream now, guys. With the way 5 minutes closing, there's a good chance we should be able to get a 2104 zone. Just keep the prices around. It may take some time. It may just hover around in this zone. But other than that, just trade your stop loss according to 30-minute lows or the 1 hour lows if you want. I would not suggest 5-minute lows. Those are very easy to break. Even 15 can sometimes break. So 30 1 hour lows, straight stop loss to 2100 zone, and we'll be good. Okay. And but yeah, that will be all for the trade today. We're waiting patiently, and we got the trade we wanted. We got our setup, and we actually got the bottom wick. Even though we didn't wait for a steep one, we got the bottom wick that we wanted. Originally on all the trades we have on all the other candles we were having. So yeah, we're gonna call it now. We'll come back tomorrow. And yeah, that'll be it. Have a good night, everyone. Good evening or good afternoon, wherever you are, and enjoy the rest of the day. Okay, I will see all of you guys tomorrow. Bye.